A new blend operation has this rule. A blend B equals A plus B divided by 1 plus A times B. We are told that 2 blend X equals 5/7. Find X. Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. Substitute the rule, then cross multiply. Apply the rule with A equals 2 and B equals X. 2 blend X becomes 2 plus X divided by 1 plus 2X. So we have the equation. 2 plus X divided by 1 plus 2X equals 5/7. Now cross multiply. 7 times 2 plus X equals 5 times 1 plus 2X. Expand both sides. 14 plus 7X equals 5 plus 10X. Move terms. 14 minus 5 equals 10X minus 7X, so 9 equals 3X. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, so X is 3. This is the substitute and solve rule. When you have a coded equation with an unknown, never try to guess the answer. Substitute the rule. Cross multiply both sides. The fraction equation becomes a simple linear equation. Then solve like any other linear equation. Code, then substitute, then compute. The same recipe at every level. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.